Hello everyone and welcome to our civics class. I'll do the best that I can to make videos like this. I know that these are really crazy times and what I'll first do is kind of go through our D2L page. I'm hoping that all of you will have access to D2L and know that you have to log in there. I'll try to figure out a different way to contact you, but in the meantime, I just wanted to take you to our course home. If you look to see that there are some announcements that I've made, the first thing I did was just tell you a welcome and then let you know that you can always email me and my email address is posted here for you. I've also posted a Google Jamboard. So what you'll have to do is just click on the link in the comment section on your course home. And when you click on the link, we'll get a Welcome to Civics Jamboard so we can all contribute. So what you're going to have to do is I put some directions here for you, and I want you to just tell us 2 interesting facts about yourself and then attach a Google image that you feel represents your country. So what I did was I wrote, my name is Ms. Raza-Qureshi, and I'm really enjoying being home with my daughter. And I also have a little dog, and her name is Angel. And I put a picture here of Canada because I love Canada. I think that we're doing a great job in this pandemic, and our curve is flattening, and hopefully we'll be in our classroom soon. So please add a sticky note by clicking over here. And once you add it, you can actually type in your text. And then when you save it, it gets added into the Jamboard, and then we can all have some references that we can use. So there you go. That's our Jamboard, and our home page is over here. So if you were to go into content, what we'll do is we'll be going into our Intro to Civics. I haven't hidden any of the course content, but as we continue to go, I know that online learning is way different than being in the classroom for sure. So I will be adding and deleting content of our course so it makes it easy for you to do with our distant learning plan. So what we're going to do is the first thing we're going to do is look at our Intro to Civics PowerPoint. If you wanted to click on the link, I already have it open here on my browser. And civics is a cool but very short class, and today we're going to be looking at citizenship and democracy. So what we're going to do is we'll skip the whole activity part of it. So civics is a half course. It's only 44 classes long. And what is civics? Civics is the study of your rights and responsibilities as a citizen. And what will we be learning in this class? So you're going to become aware of your responsibilities as a citizen at the democratic rights and your democratic rights as a Canadian at the international and national level. So what I'm going to do is present some issues to you in civics, and then you're going to start to develop your own personal opinion about them. So in order to be a citizen, when we talk about our citizenship, what makes a good citizen? So it's someone who's informed, active, and purposeful are kind of the basic starts of the definition of citizenship. What does it mean to be informed? To be an informed citizen means that you have knowledge about our democratic rights and our practices in our democratic decision making. What it means to be responsible at the local, national, and global setting. So Harjit Singh Sajjan is actually our Minister of National Defense. And he is a he is a first-generation Canadian, and he also grew up in our school system, served in our army, and I thought it was really important to highlight him in terms of being knowledgeable and understanding. There are some people who don't know who our ministers are and who our government leaders are, and that can be a challenge for you if you were to ever face an issue or a problem. And that's kind of where we're at today when we look at the pandemic that we're facing and our, with the coronavirus. Our government is what's helping and supporting us. Our government is what's kind of keeping us afloat and making decisions for us so that we come out of this as healthy as possible, economically, socially, and psychologically. And being an active citizen is someone who can think critically about issues and can work with others to make a difference. About getting involved and kind of getting involved in participating within our society. So that could mean talking to your MP. That could mean you would also be active in terms of giving back to your community. And for your final evaluation of the course, you're going to have to create basically your own non-governmental organization, which is a charity and helping out on, at the national or international level. So kind of being active is also a really important part of being a citizen, especially in Canada. And purposeful. We can know a lot of stuff and we can do a lot of stuff, but if we don't have any direction, we don't understand what our values and beliefs are, sometimes our actions have no meanings. So it's really important for us to know and understand what we value and what we believe and what others believe. So in our civics course, hopefully we'll have the opportunity to exchange ideas with one another. I know that we can't talk to each other or see each other, and we're not in a classroom, but we can definitely continue to work together and get to know one another virtually, which is probably easier for you guys than it would be for me. So what I've done down here is I've asked you a question about what you would do, which would be a classroom activity. But we won't be able to do that now. So that's kind of what citizenship is. So if you wanted to take a closer look at that PowerPoint, you're more than welcome to. But what I would like you to do now is to go back to the content section on your D2L page. And there is a quiz here that's called, What Do You Know About Civics? So complete this on your own. And as you can see, you can scroll down and you can find the answers there. But do the best that you can to try to not look at the answers. This is a formative assessment, more so to kind of gauge where your knowledge is at. And then towards the end of the course, we can kind of be reflective on, how much you've learned. And these concepts in civics are important, but not necessary for you to remember. They're just a lot of fun to go through. So hope you have a wonderful day, and I will be talking to you soon. Please feel free to email me. I've posted my email in the course announcements if you have any questions. Okay, take care. Bye.